The benefits are manifold. One is transparent pricing. You can fix your own price. You can put your own buy quote or sell quote. You are not dependent upon any jeweler or any bullion dealer that you are required to buy at that price only. Second advantage is that you can keep on accumulating without any storage cost. Whenever you want to sell, you can sell on our platform easily. The bid and ask difference is not more than 10 paise, 20 paise. The third advantage is that whenever you want to convert into physical gold or physical silver, you can do that also. And for that purpose, we also have Hyderabad as our delivery center. So investors who are sitting in Hyderabad, they can also do it by way of accumulating e-gold or e-silver. And whenever they want physical gold or physical silver, they can get it in Hyderabad. In the entire country, we have 30 locations where we have delivery centers. Apart from that, all the members of our exchange, they provide deliveries. So investor has to go to our members office only and he can get delivery from there. Daily turnover is mostly into e-silver, which is doing around 125 to 150 crores per day. E-gold is doing around 75 to 100 crores per day. And e-copper is doing around 60-70 crores per day. So these three contracts under E-Series are doing a combined turnover of around 300 crores per day. Timing is 10 o'clock in the morning up to 11:30 in the evening. We have kept it open up to 11:30 to match with international timing, so that if there is a fluctuation in London Metal Exchange or fluctuation in COMEX, the investors can enter or exit at that time also. DP is depository participant. Depository participants are the agencies which are providing services relating to opening of DMAT account. So suppose you want to open a DMAT account, you have to approach any of the DPs. You can go to Stock Holding Corporation or ILNFS or Carvi or other brokers who are available here and open your beneficiary account. No, for buying and selling in E-Series, there is no need for having any VAT number or VAT registration or excise duty number. You can buy and sell e-gold, e-silver just like shares, just by having a DMAT account. Any investor who is interested to participate in E-Series product, or he wants to know more about E-Series, or he wants to understand about National Spot Exchange, he can come on our website, which is www.nationalspotexchange.com, single word, and he can also write to us on info@nationalspotexchange.com, and we are prompt enough to respond to all the queries within on the same day.